Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to show you two new dies that I purchased and they're Halloween dies, and I have them in these bags, so bear with me. They're from KLJUYP, and these are so cute. They're Cat Ghost. And I had to have them. I just thought they were so cute, and I'll show you those in just a moment. So that's the first die, Cat Ghost. And then these are Halloween tickets, and they actually have two parts to it, each ticket. Okay, so the same with the cats. The Cat Ghost, there's two parts to each die. So let's go ahead and start out with the tickets. And I cut them out of holographic paper, and it's probably hard to see, but this one, let's see real quick. It says Haunted House, and on this side, Haunted House, it's embossed in there, and it's on this right here, it says keep this ticket, and it has a little perforation. It's super cute. And then this one says admit one on this part, and it just has the star cutouts on this other side. Oh, excuse me. And this one says Halloween party, and it says October OCT 31st. Yeah, that's super cute, and it has a little perforation and a bat and the stars cut out. And so I did make a little pocket for this one, and I put these three in it just to kind of, see what it looked like. And I'm trying to use up all my leftover paper from Spooky Things collection from Simple Stories, and I'm using it. I'm just trying to find, cute ways to use it. So that's part of it. And then here's another one. And you probably recognize this pumpkin. I showed those on Wednesday. And so I put 3 tickets in that little pocket. And I'm going to do Happy Mail with these. And, I'll continue to make little pockets and do some Happy Mail with them. Okay, so here's my favorite. So here's a pocket with the Cat Ghost in it. And I know I'm probably going to go back and add eyes to at least the green ones. Little gems, little, tiny gems for the eyes, so it will stand out. But there's a little Cat Ghost, the 3 of them. They're so cute, and I just, cut it out of the pattern paper. I didn't do any solid ones. I'm going to do that eventually, but I just made a pocket and put those in that, and that's going to be some Happy Mail as well. So let's go ahead and show you some other. See this one. He's super cute. That's the closest to the solid that I did get to. So that's that one cat. And the little whiskers on the side are just so cute. Now, I will cut them out in solids and dress them up and see what, maybe put some flowers on them or something. But they are so cute. And here's 4 in different. Super cute. I love them. When I saw those, I just thought, oh, those are so cute. And I think I like him the best. This shape of cat is just so cute. So I'll have to do solids because I think they may stand out a little bit more in solids, but I don't have a lot of solid paper left over. But I am using the paper, which is a good thing. Let me show you what I have left over. I still have quite a bit, and I'm just trying to use it all in different projects. So let's see, I have all of this, plus a holographic from the tickets I made. Yeah, but I have all of this left. Let's get that holographic out of the way. But I have all of this from the collection left to use. And that's not bad because I had a huge pile. And I'm just trying to use up all my scraps before I go on to any other projects. And that, you know, that's a challenge, trying to use up your scraps. But I am, you know, I'm going to make a bunch of Halloween stuff to put back for me to use for next year, just to have it. And then, of course, Happy Mail. Someone will get these. Someone will get some of this. So I think these are super cute, though. Let me know what you think. Would you buy a die like that with the tickets? They even have Christmas tickets as well, and they have new dies coming out, and for Christmas, and there's a Christmas ticket, and it's super cute. I don't know if I'm going to get it because the writing doesn't show up very well, and I even tried to cut it out on a solid, and I can't see it hardly at all. It says haunted house. But what I do like is that this actually does tear off. So, I mean, you can make some tickets and decorate them. Maybe even, you know, even put your cat ghost on there. You know, you could really decorate the tickets and use it as a base for decoration, put flowers and all kinds of stuff on it. That would be super cute. But just to let you know, it's hard to see the writing like on plain paper. I see it better on the holographic for sure. So you'd probably want to use some type of metallic or holographic paper to make them. But anyway, they're super cute. I mean, look at that. That would even look cute to put a cat ghost on there, just like I did with the pumpkins. So anyway, just let me know what you think. Short videos this week, guys. I haven't felt real well, and I apologize for that, but I'll get back into the swing of things next week, hopefully. You guys take care and have a great weekend. Bye.